Hello everyone. Let's learn how you can add a new user in Togile CRM. To begin with, click on Users. Next, click on Add User. Upon clicking Add User, this page will open. After that, click on Salutation and select from the options in the drop-down menu. Click on Full Name. Type in the name of your user here. Then click on Email. Enter email address of the new user. Following that, click on Mobile. Enter the mobile number of the user. Under Company Information, click on Roles and select a role from the drop-down menu. In our previous video, we have demonstrated how to add roles. Kindly check that out for better understanding. Then click on Teams and select from the drop-down menu. Once that's done, click on Reporting Manager. After that, enter the name of Reporting Manager. Next, you can type out the address details of your company here. Then click on City and enter the name of the city. Click on State. Enter name of the state in this section. Next up, click on Country. You can either manually type the name of the country or select from the drop-down menu. Then click on Department and choose from the drop-down menu. Click on Zip Code and enter the details. Fill out all the criteria here. Now click on App Access. You can enable or disable the user's app access from here. Once you're done, click on Save. And you've successfully created a new user in Togile CRM. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.